To work a magic ring to start circular crochet, you're going to hold the tail in your fingers and then wrap the yarn around your fingers like so. So I've created an X on the inside of my hand and 2 lines on the outside. My hook goes underneath the strand that's to the right, and I'm going to grab onto the strand that's to my left and twist it around. I'm going to take my fingers out of the ring, grab the working yarn in my left hand as I would for crochet, and I'm going to chain 1 stitch, and then I'm actually chaining another. My pattern calls for that because I'm working 10 double crochets into this ring. So as you work into the magic ring, you're going to go underneath those 2 strands, both the tail and the magic ring itself. So I'm going into the magic ring and under the tail. So my pattern calls for 10 double crochets. You'll do whatever your pattern calls for here. And I will show you what it looks like when you're all finished with that first round. As you go, you can tighten up the tail a little bit. There are my double crochets, the 10 that I need. And if I pull my tail, the center of that ring closes up. That's the magic. Happy crocheting.